In macros tab, you can find quick formulas list. In there, you can find useful formulas you may need. First, select the cell you want to put the formula. Then press quick formula. Select the formula you want from the quick formula list. I will select get numeric values. Then select the cell you refer. You can see I got all the numerics into a separate cell. This can be very useful in a situation like check number in the middle of some text. You want to extract it, right? Or any reference number in the middle of another text. Same like that, there are more formulas in the quick formula list. Get text in the separate cell, or to get the first number position, so you can use mid, left or right formulas together with those. Then get the last position number. There are more methods as well. And also if months and dates are switched in Excel, you can use this quick formula to correct it. You can try it and learn it, those quick formulas. It will be very helpful when you're working on Excel.